Every day, we see different vehicles on the road without knowing there is a problem. These problems are carrying maximum rated load, burn-out tires, rear end sag and body roll, poor ride quality. Introducing Ironman Load Plus. The most important effects of adding Load Plus are carry maximum rated load, reduce rear end sag and body roll, improve fuel economy, improve braking efficiency, great ride quality empty or loaded, improved handling and stability, reduce tire wear, fit in 20 minutes with 2 spanners, and 2-year warranty. Look at the comparison. This vehicle is not fitted with Load Plus. Now let's look how this identical vehicle fitted with Load Plus takes the same turn, same load, and same speed. As you can see, the vehicle fitted with Ironman Load Plus provides the driver carrying a full rated load, a more stable and obviously more economical ride. By simply fitting Load Plus in less than 20 minutes, your vehicle will safely carry maximum rated load. Shock the front wheels and lift the vehicle on one side in front of the rear lift spring on the chassis, allowing the rear axle to hang freely. In most cases, it is not necessary to remove the wheel. Place one of the Load Plus helper springs on top of the rear half of the existing lift spring with the L shape and butting off against the axle housing. Place the cross plate on top of the Load Plus helper spring, ensuring it butts up against the L-shaped end of the Load Plus helper spring. Slide the shorter U-bolt up through the cross plate to clamp the Load Plus helper spring to the existing lift spring. Secure the U-bolt with nuts and washers provided and tightened to 40 Nm. Install the longer U-bolt up through the rear cross plate, which is riveted at the end of the helper spring. Fit washers and nuts and finger tighten the nuts. For vehicles loaded up to 400 kilograms, tighten a further 10 mm. For vehicles loaded with more than 400 kilograms, tighten a further 40 mm. Fit lock nut and tighten. Ensure brake lines, handbrake, cable and exhaust pipe are completely clear and unobstructed from the Load Plus helper spring. Here are some feedback from our Load Plus users.
Dati wala kaming Load Plus, kaya hirap kaming mag-load ng overload sa truck. Nung magkaroon na ng Load Plus, kaya nabawasan yung problema namin sa loading. Dahil kahit na overload, talagang lumuli namin, hindi halos mabaluktot sa tulong ng Load Plus. Kahit na anong liko ng sasakyan, konti lang ang kalili niya. Kasi nung wala pang Load Plus, talagang madalas masira sa amin yung damper niya dahil sa sagad nga yung muli niya ay kaya tamaan ng differential yung rubber damper. Kaya madalas masira. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, mag-Load Plus na kayo!
Ang problema namin nung wala pang Load Plus, sumasabit sa mga pababa na gate, sumasabit yung stickboard niya sa likod. Sobrang bagsak dahil sa bigat ng karga. Kaya nung gumamit kami ng Load Plus, malaking pinagbago ng sasakyan gawa ng makapagkarga na kami ng mas marami. Pero yung posisyon niya sa bandang likuran, hindi nagbabago. Kung spring kit lang pag-uusapan, dito na ako sa Load Plus.
This Ironman Load Plus is ideal for pick-up, delivery van, 4x4 vehicles, AUV, and most of all, jeepneys. Ironman Load Plus. Drives like a car, carries like a truck.